are these. Ikala natin. Next, what causes stress? Ito po yung mga pinagagalingan ng stress. Pressure to perform of work at school or in sport. Threat of physical violence, money worries. I think papasok na tayo dito. Argument, family conflict, okay, and so on. Next. Sign of stress overload. Kung ikaw ay stress, anxiety, or panic attack. Okay. A feeling of being constantly pressured. I think lahat tayo nakakaranas nito. Irritability and moodiness, physical symptoms such as stomach problem, headache, and even chest pain. May allergic reaction such as eczema, asthma, problems of sleeping. Okay, kung hindi ka na nakakatulog ay ito yung bunga ng stress. Okay, drinking too much, smoking, and so on. So health problem, and so on. So health problem linked to stress, those are sickness na makikita natin na nauugnay sa tinatawag na stress. Sometimes yung cancer ay lalong bumibilis, lalong nagiging active. No? Because of stress ay, sabi nga natin, may experience na hindi tayo makatulog. Okay, marami pang bagay. So all this. It can decrease stress with following behavior and techniques. Some tips: exercise, eat regularly, balanced diet, of course, kasama. Okay, and those bullet 3, avoid illegal drugs, alcohol and tobacco, tobacco, learn relaxation exercise. And those are tips na pwede natin gawin para mag-decrease yung tinatawag na stress. Okay, another, relax, make time for yourself. Okay. Sleep, eat right. About money, it is about sa bagay na kasasaya natin o kasisaya natin sa buhay. No? Advice, I learned na ang buhay pala ay hindi lang yung pera, hindi lang yung gusto natin yumaman. No? Ang pinaka-importante ay kung saan tayo sasaya. At isa sa bagay ng pagbibigay ng kasiyahan, sabi natin yung anxiety natin, ma-reduce ito o mawala ito, kailangan tayo ay magpumili ng tinatawag na mga kasiyahan sa buhay. According to the book of Proverbs 17:22, a cheerful heart is good medicine. Yeah. But a crushed spirit dries up the bone. Another thing, use an attitude of gratitude. Yeah. Attitude of gratitude. No? Sabi nga natin, it's not about na tayo yung mag-earn. Sometimes, tayo yung magbibigay. With this verse, Colossians 3:15 and 17, let the peace of Christ rule in your heart. Okay? The peace of Christ rule in your heart. Since a member of one body, you were called to peace and be thankful. Let the word of Christ dwell in you richly as you teach and admonish one another with all wisdom. And as you sing psalms, hymns, remember that those are part para ma-reduce, no, yung mawala yung ating stress, and spiritual song with gratitude in your heart to God, and whatever yung mga classmate nyo yung umalik sa school, wala administration, business administration. Yung iba, gagawin na kapases. Kukuha naman subject, pag-enroll, i-assess yung subject, tapos ipakita sa parent, mami, ito yung babayaran natin. Full load. Ibigyan ng pera ng nanay, ng tatay. Pagbalik sa eskwelahan, mabawasan yung units. Yeah. Mabawasan yung units, tapos babayaran kung siya ay mga bata